Ciao, ChoroQ collectors. We have ChoroQ 0 number Z-26. It's a Fiat 500F. Sorry for the reflection. There we go. Is this new? Yes, it is new. Let's get the tape off of this guy. Alright, so that's nice. The tape they use doesn't seem to destroy the cardboard in the back. So let's take a look. Oh, what's weird though is sometimes they have additional mirrors, but this doesn't have it at all. Okay. Or maybe it was opened before. I'm not sure. Alright, so the 500F is a pretty clownish looking car in real life, being only 500 cc's. Probably like the size of a modern golf cart. Alright, so that looks pretty good though, the front end of this thing. Some of the overall squishiness of this. So, I don't think they squished it twice. It looks like they maybe squished it like 30%. Alright, here's the rear view. Yeah, not bad. Alright. So this guy just has very, very plain hubcap wheels, but they actually match the photographs pretty well, so I guess you can't complain. It's nice to see the door handle here is painted silver and it's sticking out. There's a little silver printed on the window. Go to the front, silver headlights, this little badge thing, silver, yeah, that looks accurate. Some white turn signals, looks accurate, they're clear on the real car. Some bumps here for the bumper and the blank license plate. The bumper is actually a separate piece here, painted silver. And then now noticing there's a little side marker here on the fender. So that's pretty cool. I think that's a dark, yeah, smoked canopy here. You can see the motor a little bit there. On the roof, there's a little sunroof action. This side looks the same. Some textures here to let the rear engine cool off. And then the rectangular taillights are nicely done with different colors. And then Z-26, and that rear bumper again is floating here. I think it's part of this piece though. But it's nice to see a little air gap, a little exhaust tip sticking out, part of the base. 500F, Z-26, and this was made the 10th month of 2014. Okay. So, motor works obviously. Yeah, not bad. They do have a police version, which is what I really wanted, but I don't feel like paying overpriced prices, so I think maybe I'll try to get that police one if it ever comes up at a decent price, but for now, this is a pretty cool stock street version, so I'm cool with this. Let's get this spin thing out, compared to a couple more realistic versions. So this thing coming up is made by ChoroQ. So that's 1/64 scale. And here's a ChoroQ of a more modern Fiat 500. Just to give you an idea, you know, how much it grew in real life. So if you've ever seen this in real life, it's actually a relatively small car compared to, say, a pickup truck. But the original, I mean, that's a minuscule car, right? There's a top view. And actually, for fun, I'm going to throw in a 1/87 scale version made by Bush Models. So, that's really small, but it is 1/87 scale. Okay. So let's put up a couple of cars, maybe from the same time frame. I have a Volkswagen Variant, or also known as the Type 3. I have an Alfa Romeo Giulia Super. That's a great Choro-Q there. And then the last one is an Austin Mini Cooper Rally. And this is a freebie from Kirin, like the beverage company. I think it's listed as Kirin Fire, which is a type of canned coffee beverage. Alright. I did add some paint details to the wheels of these guys. Haven't bothered with this one, it's too small, those little dots in the wheels. So, alright, let's get these guys out. Alright, so yeah, it's a nice little ChoroQ Zero. Hopefully I'll get the police one someday and compare the two. Until then, thanks for tuning in. See ya.